So guys, we are doing a demo on the two-color spaceship by TNT. Oh, that was kind of loud. Kinda. Oh man, I cracked myself up. This is some ground blooms. TNT actually doesn't really. TNT doesn't really impress me much, but. Whoa. Well, that was kind of cool. Kind of. Really. Something. Now, guys, we're doing another two-colored spaceship by TNT. What should I get there? New two-color spaceship. Oh, that hit. Okay, we're gonna do some poker jacks. I don't really trust these things. I don't really know what these things are gonna do. Oh, they're gonna pop. You watch. What? Oh, that's all they do? Are you kidding me? Oh, you're supposed to... Oh, you're supposed to do them like this. Oh! Like the Iosauron, guys. That's, it's still, My mini fireworks show. I almost got oh, and that ground balloon is wrong.
Garbage.
Okay, guys.
What are you doing?
Record it.
You just tell me when you did the big one.
Oh, the big one? Okay. Okay, guys, we are...
You better be throwing stuff, alright?
We are... The poker things were cool, Mama.
Oh, they are?
They didn't make no noise. They just spin on the ground.
Is that one of them?
No. That's a... Yep.
I got 3 pack of them.
3?
Yep. They were 50 cents.
Another ground blue. Hold on, guys. I might have to throw this one, guys. did make it. Well, didn't make it, guys. Oh. I got golden diamond. There you go, ladies and gentlemen, golden diamond. We'll do the cake last. Hold on a minute. Where is that? Okay, guys.
I'm not quit.
This is it, and then the big one, okay? Okay, guys, we're doing another, whatever these things are called, a two-color spaceship by TNT. Sorry. Oh, here we go, the big one. Jeez. Here we go, guys. We got the big cake. Steel Wave by TNT. Steel Wave.
Come here. This is recycled. This is your job today.
I'm doing the cake, Mama.
Do it.
Okay, we're doing the cake. I better do it. I better get it away from this tree. Where am I going to put it?